Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Jessica Rabbit outfit in Dress to Impress. So first you're going to save like the color of your skin tone, which I already did. It's this one. Okay, I need to remember that. Then I'm just going to get these gloves in color purple. I usually just find one that's kind of similar to it. I rarely copy and paste color codes from characters because they're sometimes not accurate. For the top, I'm going to get this one. I'm going to color it red. You also need these leggings. I'm going to color them later though. I'll do the type 3 one. Then you do need the VIP dress, the long one, to create the finishing look. Color that red and then color the leggings the same as your skin color. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.